fashion.
We are
Fashion.
So myself and Shal were here at VR Fashion. She picked up a nice red cute little dress. Now our next destination is in Kamanhalli, going to a few more shops. Right? Let's go! I love this place. Yeah, you get it there here.
Smells also very nice. Come on, let's shop.
Only Kihito cut.
Sorry, can you spell it?
Kihito cut.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna go look for. And your name?
Kihito only. Kihito
Oh, your
cut.
name, cute.
Yeah.
So nice. I've got a fellow YouTuber with me right now. I just take you around.
Sorry, black in this, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
I have been coming to this shop for many years and they have wonderful items.
Long time before it came.
Check this out. So these are some harem pants.
इसमें साइज मिल जाएगा.
ये कौन सा साइज है? स्मॉल है ना? इसमें साइज कैसे चाहिए?
How much are these socks? Hi. How much are these socks?
50 rupees.
These are a pair?
Yes. This one is 50 rupees. This one 50 rupees. This one 100 rupees.
Oh. Check these out. Such colorful pants. These are some cute night dresses. Earlier they didn't have bags, but now they have bags as well. These are like some really cute bags. How much is this? Excuse me? Bag? 550, not bad at all. No, only the small, I think. Yeah, that is why I think. These are also. Big one is how much?
Big one 650.
Big one is 650, yeah?
Small one is 550, 450. Like that.
Oh, recently you added, no? Recently. Abhi add kiya hai na?
Yes. Before two days.
Oh, acha, tell me this. This is a set, no?
This one 350.
It's a set.
Set. Light wear.
Huh? 350. Hey, take it. No, it'll look. I have recently only I bought. I would have loved to pick it up. Run galung zaina. This I'll remove. Oh, you're getting one, huh? Haan, that's also nice. It was earlier 250, but they made it 350. Yeah. Show Shal, what have you got?
I'm shy enough.
This is Shal Mithin's wife. This is the first time I'm shopping with her as.
Oh my god, as Mithin's wife.
Yeah. Otherwise.
Where is Mithin? This is the big question. लोग जाना चाहते हैं. कहाँ है Mithin?
Oh, Hindi. See, check this out. Such nice colors. Looks so comfy. kind of parallels na, that I wear. It's soft also. Can you see? But I think you wear plain colors. Shall this is not.
Actually, yeah, bottle green. But if you like pink,
You want formal pants, no?
oh no, I only take this.
Okay, I took black. No, this is not.
Black, no. This is no black, grey.
That one is full set.
Black you don't have.
Grey, no.
Will it come?
Oh, no.
Yeah, because it's not. ठीक है उसमें दे.
Bottle green.
Shall you're not getting late now?
Oh no. 8:30 I have to go to. Sorry. 8:30 I have to go to. Until then I'll trouble you. Or before that also you have
Please,
to go.
Shall I think this is not. Is it tone or what? Yeah, थोड़ा सा फटा.
Dark grey है.
देखना दीदी बराबर से
Ah, this is black. ये वाला ले लेती हूँ मैं. And this no one more piece or don't want na pink. I'll look more too also because
Wear darker shades. That makes it look slimmer. Gee, bottle green.
see these are so
You can wear mustard
comfy.
yellow, white and black and colors.
Yeah, no. Okay. I'll take this also. ये भी लेती हूँ मैं. ये वाला ना bottle green भी दे दो.
What do you wear with that one? Like that?
So I just got 3 pants. Shall what is it that you have picked up?
I picked up.
Who's that guy? Nical, huh? Black and white, eh?
13 of
Try the black and see how it is.
Oh, so cute. The set is it? Acha, that is to wear at night.
Yes.
950.
I like this also, but then I don't know what it was saying. It said Piao.
Oh yeah, it's so cute. Yellow.
But what was it saying? Someone is my
I'll put music.
so cute. And how much is this?
350 on it.
350.
Yeah. Dubai others the price is very high. He's selling 550.
Very cute.
Come Bunny, we have rest of our life to do something. And finishing is so nice.
Yeah. I love the stuff here, but
But that this is that boho thing which is.
you're right. But then what to do? These are too small. It'll only fit my palm, like my palm. Hi. Chalo, bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
So, can I talk to you for 2 minutes?
Yes, why not? Definitely, madam. You're my oldest customer, na?
Oh, thank you. So I just want to know, first of all, this is called Uncle's Shop, right?
Yes, exactly.
And what I love about your shop is the material and
you
it's
so much.
extremely reasonable. You have various styles available, so excellent on that. So if there's somebody watching like me wants to buy something, what is the speciality of your shop if you can just share?
Speciality of my shop is, I have unique item. One piece, single piece where you will not get it anywhere.
Right.
You'll be the only one wearing it.
Yeah.
90% of my stock is the same. Like
Yeah.
one piece, single piece item. Actually, when you go, 5 girls go to a party, somebody else come to the same place
Huh.
and they see wearing the same thing, the other girls wearing the same thing, they feel awkward. They say, "Arey, maine bhi pehna hai." Oh, no, it's called like in the school they used to call same
Hota hai.
pinch,
Huh.
So it becomes like that. So they don't like it.
Yeah.
The girls don't like it. They said, uncle, एक piece वाला दो हमारे को, single
Exactly.
piece.
होता है ऐसा मेरे
हाँ.
साथ भी हुआ है.
Single piece wala do. So what I do is I go to China, I pick up all their samples from the factories and I bring it and come.
Amazing.
Only I have 500 top pins, you'll get 500 designs.
Oh.
500 design no shop will have. Let
Yeah.
it be West Side or Reliance or anybody. They'll have maximum 50 designs of top. 500 of designs, nobody will have it.
True.
And sometimes we get good brands like Shein and all that.
Oh,
from
is
China.
it? And I think ये भी आपने नया ही
ये मैंने डाला है, but unbranded ones.
अच्छा.
They are unbranded from 250, nobody will give a bag.
Yeah.
I have the smaller ones from starting from 250 to 650. This big leather bag is 650. This big bag.
Oh, nice.
This big bag, leather bag is 650. And it is leather, no, not resin. It is
Oh,
pakka leather, pure leather.
for office and all, it's really nice.
It's a pakka pure leather.
I think अभी बस इस week
This is
शुरू
the
हुआ.
first time we introduced bags, but this is for one-time sale. This I have like 1300 pieces now. It will be for one-time sale.
Oh,
No repeat in this. We get it from
So
a
now
factory.
next stock only will-
Only 1,300 pieces I'm going to sell and finish it off.
Oh,
Not
okay,
going
okay.
to restock them. We're not going to restock,
Restock
them. No,
them.
no, no.
Oh, okay.
Only we are catering to the garments only. This is one-time business.
All right.
Single
So
time.
for those of you who like the collection here, I'm sure you will. Like he said, it's unique. Do come to Uncle's shop, and if you can just guide, this is in Kamanhalli, no?
Kamanhalli, Main Road, next to Sukhsagar.
And do you do online also?
No online. No.
Online.
No.
No online. So do walk into Uncle's shop. You will love it because, like he said, I'm a very old customer, repeat customer. I love their stuff. Now also see, I've got a few things as well as my friend Shal. So we'll come again. Thank
Please.
you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Most welcome. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Most welcome. Most welcome.
Sorry, I made Shal wait. She's feeling really hungry. She wants to have a nice coffee in Sukhsagar.
Greedy. I wanted to buy more.
Yeah, we love the collection at the Uncle shop.
Shop for your needs and not your wants.
Oh, that's an amazing fact. But really, at this Kamanhalli has become so happening, no, Shal?
Yeah. Everybody is posting. Have you seen this? I will be like, shut up, okay? We'll wait.
Yeah, we know this place.
Yeah.
So now we have reached another shop. This place caught our eye. Look at this. So Shal like this quad set. We are just gonna go and explore. Wow. Just see this party wear. Kamanhalli has become like so hip. Shal, this is so nice, see?
Yeah, I thought
No?
it was so nice.
Very nice.
But my eyes always go to black balloons. I love this.
Yeah, I think I also have the same issue. ये कितने का है ये वाला?
देखो मैं राइट बोलते हो वो 1200
एंड ये आप बोल रहे थे कलर्स है क्वाड्स में?
उसमें कलर्स
इसमें नहीं वो बाहर है
क्वाड्स में कलर्स है ना?
वो बाहर
क्वाड
सेट
सेट.
का है ना उसमें
हाँ,
कलर्स
इसमें
चाहिए
यहाँ पे है. अच्छा. There's one kind mustard color and this is coffee or chai? Coffee. Cheers. Okay, so now let's just show you. Shal is going to show you what all she got. So cute. What's this, Shal?
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
So this is the set you were talking about. So how much did you pay totally? So one is this, the set shorts. Is it okay that you are removing it?
I don't know, you tell.
No, in the sense for you, is it
Ah,
okay?
it's okay. And then I bought houseware
Oh.
leggings.
Nice. You are the perfect person for
Keep
vlogging.
quiet. Just don't take me. You can use my hands.
Oh wow, what's this? Show. Look at her beautiful bangles and
Yeah.
bracelet. I love it.
Yeah, this Heidi gave. This my mother-in-law gave. This I bought from Rishikesh. I should have measured my.
So this style I learned from you. You know, if you had seen one of my videos, I was wearing the, what do you call that? Yeah, scrunchie in my hand. So that I learned from you. You know, and so totally, how much did you spend
I spent
for these dresses in Uncle shop?
750 rupees only.
Oh wow, that is nice. I think I also spent 750 only for 3 plazos. And check out her earrings, so
My-
pretty. Shal, I love your earrings. You want? You want to sip? Remember once we sat here and
Radhi was just having her prom. We'll buy a Dolo when you're walking down there.
yeah.
We passed the Dolo.
No, it's there on the right.
No, but you enjoyed anyways.
So now we are going to be serving pasta for ourselves. So both of us have ordered for white sauce pasta. We were confused. First we thought we'll go have sev puri, but now we're going to be having pasta. Right?
Yes.
Come on.
You will punch me when you see that video.
She's very naughty, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed my vlog. You enjoyed as much as I did shopping and going out with my friend. You have a great day ahead and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.